This stock has average movements during a day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 28 cents between high and low, or 5.53%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.07%. OUR recommended stop loss: $4.93, minus 4.81%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 24 days ago. Evaluation of Applied U.V Incorporated stock downgraded after the last trading session. Updated on February 8, 2021. Buy or hold candidate since 2021. 02 to 05 loss minus 0.58%. The Applied U.V Incorporated stock price fell by minus 0.58% on the last day, Monday, 8 February 2021, from $5.21 to $5.18. During the day, the stock fluctuated 5.53% from a day low at $5.06 to a day high of $5.34. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by minus 4.07% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by minus 278,000 shares, and in total, 409,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.12 million. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall minus 3.61% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $4.32 and $5.94 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast: Applied U.V Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. But the stock has a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $4.99 and $5.01. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, January 4, 2021, and so far it has risen 13.35%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk, as volume should follow the price movements. Support, risk and stop loss: Applied U.V Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $5.16. And this level may hold a buying opportunity, as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during a day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 28 cents between high and low, or 5.53%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.07%. OUR recommended stop loss: $4.93, minus 4.81%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 24 days ago. As Applied U.V Incorporated stock A buy: Applied U.V Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate in this position, whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy candidate to a hold accumulate candidate. Current score: 0.170. Predicted opening price for Applied U.V Incorporated of Tuesday, February 9, 2021. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price, February 9, 2021. Current price $5, and AUVI is overvalued compared to its price of $29.20 per share, has well below average safety, and is currently rated a hold. Recommendation: Rec Hold Rec reflects the cumulative effect of all the vector-based parameters working together. These parameters are designed to help investors buy safe, undervalued stocks, rising in price. Value: current price $29.20, current value $3.20. AUVI has a current value of $3.20 per share, compared to a price of $29.20 per share. This stock is currently overvalued. Value is computed from forecasted earnings per share, forecasted earnings growth, profitability, interest, and inflation rates. Upside potential, relative value RV very POORRV is an indicator of long-term price appreciation potential. AUVI has an RV of 0.13, which is very poor on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. This indicator is far superior to a simple comparison of price and value because it is computed from an analysis of projected price appreciation 3 years out, AAA corporate bond rates, and risk. Safety, relative safety RS very poor is an indicator of risk. AUVI has an RS rating of 0.45, which is very poor on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. RS is computed from an analysis of the consistency and predictability of a company's financial performance, debt-to-equity ratio, sales volume, business longevity, price volatility and other factors. Timing, relative timing RT excellent it analyzes a stock's price trend. AUVI has a relative timing of 2.00, which is excellent on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. RT is computed from an analysis of the direction, magnitude, and dynamics of a stock's price movements day over day, week over week, quarter over quarter and year over year. If a trend dissipates, RT will gravitate toward 1.00. Overall rating, value safety timing VST very good is the master indicator for ranking every stock in the VectorVest database. AUVI has a VST rating of 1.27, which is very good on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. VST is computed from the square root of a weighted sum of the squares of RV, RS, and RT. Stocks with the highest VST ratings have the best combinations of value, safety and timing. Stop price. $11.35 stop is an indicator of when to sell a position. AUVI has a stop of $11.35 per share. A stock's stop is computed from a 13-week moving average of its closing prices and is fine-tuned according to the stock's fundamentals. CI, Comfort Index PORCI is an indicator which reflects a stock's ability to resist severe and/or lengthy price declines. AUVI has a PSI of 0.56, which is poor on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. PSI is based solely upon a stock's long-term price history. GRT, earnings growth rate. GRT reflects a company's 1 to 3 year forecasted earnings growth rate in percent per year. AUVI has a forecasted earnings growth rate of -7.00%, which VectorVest considers to be very poor. EPS, earnings per share. EPS stands for leading 12 months earnings per share. AUVI has a forecasted EPS of 22 cents per share. VectorVest determines this forecast from a combination of recent earnings performance and traditional fiscal and/or calendar year earnings forecasts. PE, price to earnings ratio. PE shows the dollars required to buy $1 of earnings. AUVI has a PE of 132.75. The average PE of all the stocks in the VectorVest database is 69.95. A, earnings yield. A reflects earnings per share as a percent of price. AUVI has an A of 0.75%. This is below the current average of 1.43% for all the stocks in the VectorVest database. GPE, growth to PE ratio. AUVI has a GPE rating of -0.05. A stock is commonly considered to be undervalued when GPE is greater than 1.00. Dividend. VectorVest reports annual regular cash dividends as indicated by the most recent payments. Special distributions, one-time payments, stock dividends, etc. are not generally included in DIV. AUVI does not pay a dividend. DY, dividend yield. DI reflects dividend per share as a percent of price. AUVI does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend yield rating. DI equals 100x, div price. It is useful to compare DI with A. If DI is not significantly lower than A, the dividend payment may be in jeopardy. DS, dividend safety. DS is an indicator of the assurance that regular cash dividends will be declared and paid at current or at higher rates for the foreseeable future. AUVI does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend safety rating. Stocks with DS values above 75 typically have RS values well above 1.00 and A levels that are much higher than DI. DG, dividend growth rate. Dividend growth is a forecasted annual growth rate of a company's dividend based on historical dividend payments and dividend predictability. It is a subtle yet important indicator of a company's financial performance. It also provides some insight into the